you doing, sir?
All right.
You got your driver's license, insurance?
Oh, you saying I was speeding?
Am I saying you were speeding?
Yeah.
Well, we just got a complaint about a red Challenger just coming into the city limits by, I guess, by some drivers saying that a red Challenger driving at an excessive rate of speed. And so what we're doing is whenever we get these type of complaints, we'll make contact with the vehicle and see what's going on, see if you're in an emergency or anything.
Well, no, I'm not showing you my ID for that. Who's your supervisor?
No, this guy is not related to Ice Cube. Yes, he does share the same name as him. As a matter of fact, I think Ice Cube should subscribe to this guy. This guy is a straight boss. You guys are going to absolutely love this channel, and you guys are going to scurry over to Oshea Jackson's channel and subscribe. Straight boss. This guy, in my opinion, has some of the best traffic stops on the internet today. I'm not going to hold you up long because I know you're dying to see what I'm talking about. Watch these clips. Go subscribe to Oshea Jackson. Let him know San Joaquin sent you. I'll see you guys over there.
My supervisor is Sheriff Owens.
Okay, because another driver said I was speeding. Okay. Where's your proof to that? Some other driver said I was speeding.
Listen, sir, it's not even about playing the court out here. I know what you're trying to do, but it's not even that serious, okay? The reason why
I'm not showing you my driver's license for you telling me somebody else said I was speeding. I know I wasn't speeding when I went by you.
The thing is, we gotta complain about a car traveling at excessive speed.
I don't care.
And you're endangering, you're possibly endangering people coming down on the highway. It's really not, you know what I'm saying? There's no reason to be like this.
Okay, well, I'm not showing you my ID for somebody telling you that a red Challenger was speeding.
All right, so when we get a complaint about a vehicle traveling at a high rate of speed, going in and out of traffic.
I won't go on that. First of all, I wasn't doing what you're saying. They're saying I was doing. What's your name and badge? No, name and badge number, officer?
I'm Deputy Sutton, man.
Deputy Sutton?
Yes, sir.
You're stopping me for somebody else saying that some Challenger was doing this? No, we ain't rolling like that. I'm not showing you my ID for that. Am I free to go?
No, sir.
Okay.
So you really gonna do this?
Yeah. Because I'm on the way to a football game, and I know you guys stayed this little town and the little town back behind there have you guys on the streets stopping speeders all the time.
Okay.
So I know not to speed coming through these areas.
Okay.
First of all, because I'm from this place. Okay, I'm ready to go because I got a game to get to.
Okay. Well, okay. Look, by we having the people complaining about a vehicle traveling at a high rate of speed, it's only necessary that we stop. Just like if it's a suspicious person in the area,
okay,
we have the right to check them out. You know what I'm
okay,
saying?
you can check me out, but I'm not giving you my driver's license for what somebody else said. Let's say this driver that complained, me and him had a situation, okay, and he wanted to play get back at me.
Well, listen, it's not even about citing you. I'm not trying to give you a ticket or anything.
Okay, well, you're not going to violate my rights for something somebody else said.
Who's violating your rights?
You are not about to violate my rights for I haven't committed a crime or that you can prove.
Okay.
So I'm not going to give you, and I appreciate you actually doing a job because I ain't never seen a black man over in this area before, and I appreciate it, and I'm proud of you. But regardless of your skin color, you're not about to violate my rights.
Well, for future reference, I'm gonna tell you, man, this is not about violating your rights, okay?
Okay.
All right, it's not about violating your rights. It's about us out here trying to do what we're supposed to do.
Okay. Well,
now,
you're gonna do it within the confines of the law.
Okay.
Okay? You ain't gonna ID me for what somebody else said. Now, if you came up on me and you saw me doing it, that's a different story.
Okay.
Okay, am I free to go?
No, sit tight, okay?
Okay. And by the way, I'm armed, just so you know. I just got stopped by a police officer that said my tag lights was out. As you can see, my tag lights are on. And by the way, I do a check on my vehicle before I pull out every other day. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. They seen that I come around and I see and I do a little filming. He pulled me over for my tag light not being on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and file an official complaint. will be filing an official complaint. I got pulled over for my tag light being out again because I've been following them around, taking a look. Well, not really following them, but stopping and checking out the stops that they've been conducting. So all of a sudden, I get stopped for a light that is on. Now you see it's on, right? Don't touch my vehicle.
We're just checking to see if we can see the light.
That was an illegal stop, and I want your name and badge number.
All right, okay. Sir.
Don't give me your name and badge number.
Okay, Officer Rosado, Columbus Police Department.
Okay.
Badge number 148.
Okay, Officer Rosado, thank you. And you too, please.
When I pulled up behind
okay. And you too, please.
Look, I'm Corporal Andrew Stinson. I do not have a badge number. I'm a corporal.
Okay, Corporal. I appreciate it.
Okay. When I pulled up behind you.
Okay, is it on now? Is it on now?
You cannot see it from a distance.
Well, you're the only one. I've been driving around for forever. A distance, well, you should be able to see it where you're at right now. When I got back to the vehicle, I could see it was on.
Are you gonna let me speak, sir?
No, give me my ID so I can go, because my tail light, my tag light is on.
Sir.
No, give me my ID so I can go. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk to you. I will be filing an official complaint.
That is your right, sir.
Okay, I'm done. I don't want to talk to you.
But
I do not want to talk to you. Go ahead and move away, please. Do not talk to me anymore.
Hey, you know how you have a right to stop and film us, correct?
I have a damn right. I got a right to stop and film you. And that's the reason I'm getting stopped right now.
I'm standing here on City Street talking.
And guess what? I do a vehicle check every time I leave my house, and it's on video. So when I make the official, give me my goddamn license.
Sir, there's no need for language.
I'm a grown ass man. I can talk how the fuck I want to talk. Now let's go ahead and amp it up a little bit.
There's no need to curse that.
Now get the fuck out of my face.
I'm being polite.
It ain't polite when you fucking illegally stop me. Now get out of my face. You guys have a good day. Am I free to go?
Free to go, sir.
All right, have a good one.
Drive safe.
No, you drive safe. I'll be making an official complaint.
Did you know that cops just can't pull you over because they want to, or because they have a hunch, or especially because they're profiling you? If you don't know your rights, I would recommend that you subscribe to this channel. And I also recommend that you let your friends and family know about this channel, because what we do is try to teach people their rights. We are learning as we go. You guys teach me a lot, and with that, I'm able to present it on these videos. First lesson, always record the police. Second lesson, always ask for a supervisor. And the third lesson is know your rights, because if you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video, and I'll also see you in Oshea Jackson's comment section. Thank you guys.